to another crazy volatile day. Things are looking pretty ugly. Yields are getting higher, and that is not good for the stock market, according to the people that know what they're talking about. Not me, but people say that. They say that things are about to break, so keep an eye on yields, the 10-year. But so yesterday we broke the high, then we dropped, did the whole value area sweep, which we took that trade, worked out really good. And this, during the overnight, we tried to break the low from Friday, but we couldn't get anywhere. They kept trying to move lower, but it wasn't moving. Now we're squeezing a little bit, we're rallying. I see the 10-year yield came down a little bit just now, so maybe that's why we're rallying it a little bit, I don't know. But today we have FOMC, so I'm sure that people are going to be paying attention to see what they say about it. But anyway, for today, if you look at yesterday's profile, it was a multi-distribution profile. So we have two big sets of single prints. So I'm going to be looking at those to see if first, if we can get above the first one, then sweep through this distribution. If we can get above this one, sweep through this distribution and attempt to take the highs. But those areas are going to act initially as resistance. So, if we get there, looking for shorts and looking for, I think, an attempt to break these lows from Friday and clean up this area. We have a few sets of single prints and a low volume node here for 4800. So I think that's if we are able to break the lows, because we're having trouble here. So but other than that, it's just, I'm gonna be looking at order flow and trading level to level. Right now volatility is coming down pretty hard, so I'm looking to see if we can test the overnight highs and test those first set of single prints, and then from there just see how the day develops. Like, in this volatility, everything I'm saying could be completely worthless, because one move like we've been seeing, it just takes 400 points in a few minutes. It's ridiculous. So anyway, so looking at that for today, NQ pretty much same structure still. Crude has been getting destroyed. It's at the 56 area and found a little bit of a bid recently. So sorry, my software. So between 58 and 59, this is resistance for today. If we get back above 59, look for 61 as a target. And gold keeps bouncing in this green area that I have. So still, and then that 3100 keeps acting as resistance. So I think yesterday I mentioned this 3060 as the target. It hit it overnight, and then now it's trying to move higher. If it gets above 3100, look for 3110 as the first target, and there's some resistance here, but then once it's above here, I think it could get to that 20-day point of control pretty quickly. That 3155. But obviously, it's all, there's a lot of news to watch for. So I'm gonna keep it short today because, like I said, no, anything could really happen today. So all right, that's it. Good luck.